So here we are at the front entry. This is what they have to do to prepare your floor. They go over it with a floor grinder first. They got grind it flat because it's so uneven. There's room to plastic off. The stairs all torn up, those will go in. Open up the tile. Jackhammers. They already grinded the floor. They got rid of the big humps and waves in the middle of the floor, and then they'll use a leveling compound underneath the stairs. Look how big that is. Wow. So we're going upstairs. So the steps will be done last. So beautiful. Look at this nice baseboard net back in. Install the baseboard. With we did the painted risers too, like you like. He got the floor as flat as he could, but there's no dips and there's no loose flooring, which is awesome. You're going to paint your closet while we have it empty. It hasn't been painted yet by us, so we'll get that taken care of, and then get the ceiling all touched up, the fingerprints everywhere from before. Well, we got to, replace all the molding in the closets. See, we still got to put some pieces on the sides. It's like that one. No base shoe, baseboards. That's it.